We are finally ready to create our first website together. You will find all the photos, logos, buttons and text we will use for this website in the folder provided. All images have been saved correctly at 72 dpi and at the exact pixel size they are needed as in the project. When you create your own website, you will need to ensure that your photos and all other images you will use are at the correct sizes. There are multiple ways to resize images. I prefer to use Adobe Photoshop. To demonstrate, I will use an unedited photo. Once I've opened the program Photoshop, I open the photo by choosing in the menu bar at the top, File, Open, or Ctrl-O or Command-O for Mac, and browsing in the folder until I find it. This photo is not orientated correctly. It is a landscape orientation and I wanted a portrait. To rectify this, you will need to find the image options in the menu bar at the top and choose Image Rotation and the appropriate option. In this instance, it is 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now we can view what the photo specifications are and whether we need to alter it. This you do by choosing Image again in the menu bar at the top, followed by Image Size. The Image Size dialog box will pop up onto the screen. Here you will see the specified dimensions in pixels, the document size and its resolution. You can also alter the measurement by type by clicking the arrow at the right, and the drop-down will display the various options. I will leave it for now, because I am more concerned with the pixel dimensions at the top than printing dimensions. You can also alter the pixels per inch. But since most photos today are taken with digital cameras, their pixel per inch will already be optimal for a screen, being 72 dpi. Thus, I will leave it as such. In the design I have in mind for this website project, I need this photo to be 600 pixels wide and 900 pixels in height, with a pixel per inch of 72. I can alter it at the top. Let's type in 600 at the width option. You will see it automatically altered the height to 900. That is because the dimensions are automatically locked to remain in proportion. You can see it is locked by looking at the lock icon at the right. When you want to alter the dimensions of the image, you will need to perform a crop or cut the canvas. Since these dimensions are what I want, I will click OK. Now you simply save it by choosing File and Save for Web. This image is a photo with no transparency, so I will choose JPEG. The pop-up dialog box allows you multiple other options. You will also see in the two-up view option the specifications of the image indicated below the image. You can make the image even smaller by using the slider next to Quality, but in this instance we don't need it. Once you're satisfied with the quality, click Save. Rename the image and save it in your designated Images folder.